In Hinduism, the Shivalinga, often referred to simply as the linga, is a powerful and ancient symbol representing the Hindu god Shiva. The Shivalinga, as described in the Shiva Purana, is an abstract representation of Lord Shiva, emphasizing his formless, infinite, and transcendent nature. Unlike anthropomorphic depictions of deities, the Shivalinga does not depict any specific human form, signifying that Shiva transcends physical attributes and represents the ultimate reality. According to the Shiva Purana, the Shivalinga embodies the cosmic energy and the union of male and female principles. It often consists of a cylindrical structure, the linga, set within a yoni-shaped base, symbolizing the harmony of creation and regeneration. This union reflects the concept of Shiva and Shakti, where Shiva represents the masculine aspect of consciousness, and Shakti, the feminine, symbolizes energy and power. This combination of linga and yoni represents the unity of male and female principles, symbolizing creation, regeneration, and the cosmic cycle of life. Devotees often pour water, milk, or other offerings over the linga during worship, symbolizing purification and reverence for Shiva. The linga's abstract form allows worshippers to focus on the formless, infinite aspect of divinity. It's not a representation of Shiva in a human-like form, but rather an expression of his boundless energy and the concept of ultimate reality. This makes the Shivalinga a central point of devotion, meditation, and contemplation in many Hindu temples. The Jyotirlingas, or lingas of light, are 12 sacred shrines spread across India, each associated with a unique story and historical significance. These Jyotirlingas are considered especially holy because they are believed to be self-manifested, Swayambhu, rather than crafted by human hands. Each Jyotirlinga has a distinct story and significance, often associated with a particular region in India. The 12 Jyotirlingas are Somnath. Located in Gujarat, this Jyotirlinga is associated with the legend of Shiva's intervention to resolve a celestial conflict. It is considered the first of the Jyotirlingas. Mallikarjuna. Situated in Andhra Pradesh, this Jyotirlinga has ties to the story of Shiva and Parvati's son, Kartikeya, and his quest to prove his devotion. Mahakaleshwar. In Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, this Jyotirlinga symbolizes Shiva's power over time and is revered for his intervention to protect his devotees. Omkareshwar. Located in Madhya Pradesh, this Jyotirlinga represents the cosmic energy of Shiva. Kedarnath. This Jyotirlinga in Uttarakhand is linked to the Mahabharata and is one of the most sacred pilgrimage sites for followers of Shiva. Bhima Shankar. In Maharashtra, this Jyotirlinga has a story involving Shiva's battle with the demon Tripurasura. Kashi Vishwanath. Located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, this Jyotirlinga represents Shiva's eternal presence in the city, regarded as the spiritual heart of Hinduism. Trimbakeshwar. Also in Maharashtra, this Jyotirlinga is associated with the origin of the holy river Godavari. Kedarnath. In Jharkhand, this Jyotirlinga is known for its healing properties. Nageshwar. Located in Gujarat, this Jyotirlinga is associated with a story where Shiva saved a devotee from a snake. Rameshwaram. In Tamil Nadu, this Jyotirlinga is tied to the Ramayana and the worship of Shiva by Lord Rama. Krishneshwar. Located in Maharashtra, this Jyotirlinga is associated with the story of Shiva granting a boon to a devoted woman, reuniting her with her husband. The legends surrounding each Jyotirlinga offer insight into Shiva's compassionate and powerful nature, demonstrating his readiness to help those who seek his divine grace. Each Jyotirlinga has a different legend associated with its origin, often involving stories of Shiva's divine intervention, blessings, or miracles. These Jyotirlingas serve as focal points for devotion and pilgrimage, offering devotees a way to connect with the divine and experience Shiva's energy. Pilgrims often undertake arduous journeys to visit these sacred sites, demonstrating their faith and dedication. The Shiva Purana provides a comprehensive understanding of the Shivalinga and the Jyotirlingas, offering devotees a deep and meaningful connection to Lord Shiva. Through stories, rituals, and symbolic representations, the text illustrates the profound role that Shiva plays in Hindu cosmology, spirituality, and personal transformation. By engaging with these sacred symbols and sites, worshippers can find a path to spiritual growth and divine connection. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. We appreciate your support.